Naabot ko na yung 9,600 coins dito na pwede na siyang i-redeem. Ayan. So, choice mo na lang kung ano yung gusto mo dito. So, para ma-reach yan ng mabilis, dapat hindi ka uma-absent sa pag-claim dito araw-araw. So, dapat absent ka, lumibang ka, pabalik siya sa una. So, na-reach ko na siya. Then, clickable na itong redeem dito. Yung classical card at saka yung $200 help. So, ngayon try natin i-redeem to dito sa classical card. Dito sa notice, nakalagay dito na dapat hindi ka taga Iran, China at saka Russia. You must successfully complete KYC. So, I accept the user agreement. So, continue lang natin. Card activation successful daw. Ayan yung card, rare card. So, get started. So, may card na dito. So, kailangan ng KYC required. Dito sa KYC, kailangan mo na fill upan ang mga to. Ilagay mo lang dito ang iyong full name, birthday, address, postcode, mobile number. Ayan. So, fill upan mo lang ang mga to. Then, kapag na-fill upan mo na to, confirm, then submit. Upload your documents. Make sure it's visible in AC2 red. Sabi, acceptable documents, passport, driver's ID card, residence permit, any documents daw. Ang gagamitin ko or ipapasa ko dito ay ang aking passport. Pag passport yung pinasa mo dito, ang backside is not needed for some documents. Okay. So, pag okay na, submit mo lang. Take a photo or make selfies. Then use camera. So, ayan, your card is ready. Fund it with Dollar World or Dollar USDC to start your financial journey. Then, yung minimum niya is $20 yung i-deposit dito. Sabi dito, the card is virtual and not a physical card. It cannot be used to withdraw cash from ATMs. So, pwede mo itong pambili or pwede mo siyang i-link. Dito, sabi dito, link card, link your real card to shopping or payment apps. Currently supported platforms include PayPal, Google Play, Amazon, Shopee, Mercado Pago, Grab, Shein, Alipay, and other major platforms. Sabi dito, spend when making online or offline payments through the link app. Select real card as the payment method to complete the transaction. Okay. Then, paano mo makita yung CBB? Pindutin mo ito. Ayan. Then, makikita mo na dito yung iyong sa likod ng iyong card, yung CBB. Okay. Then, pindutin mo lang itong show details para makita mo yung info mo dito. Ayan. Kasali na yung CBB. Then, pindutin mo ito. Then, pindutin mo yung get in touch. So, makikita mo rito yung kanilang WhatsApp at saka Telegram. Pagka nagka-problema ka dito sa card mo. Ayan.